So this is how we come about the natural minor scale of the key that you want to get. You see now, you see the principle that guides it now. So let's go back to C. Let's go back to C major. Now C major is everything is white. So the relative minor will be everything will be white too. This is how we come about our natural minor scale. This now means that the natural minor scale of the key that you're playing in is the relative minor key of the key that you are in. Hope this is understood. The natural minor scale that you're playing now, of the key you're playing in, is the relative minor key of that key you're playing. Hope you understood now. Now we have done with minor. Let's take it to another key again. Let's use D for example. Let me give one more example so for you to understand properly. Let's use key D for example now. This is key D. Now let's do key D for example. Now on key D is what? Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, right? Key D. Now what will be the relative minor of key D? Now the relative minor of key D, let's follow the same principle. You count six upward. Six. You start counting from this key by itself. This is 1, key D is 1. E is 2, F sharp is 3, G is 4, A is 5. Sorry? A is 5. D is 1. Let's take it again. D is 1. E is 2. F sharp is 3. G is 4. A is 5. Then remember we said 6. Then B is 6. That means this is the relative minor of what? B. Key B is the relative minor of key D. So let me now play the La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La. And the relative minor is, the notes are La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La. When you're playing the relative minor, don't forget, the relative minors and scales or notes are La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La. Now this is La. La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi, La, Ti, Do, La, Ti, Do, La, Ti, Do, La, Ti, Do. Sorry. I'm trying to get the finger placement, the correct number system. La, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. I've gotten it. La, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. La, sol, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la. La, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. Are you seeing it? So this is I just played the scale, the La, Ti, Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La. That is the note of the relative minor. That is, you see. So let's go back to C. I've already butchered that, so I hope you understood. So let's go back to C now. So we've been able to establish the relative minor. So now you know that the relative minor shares the same thing. It shares the same thing. I hope you understood. So let's now, on your own now, you can now find it on other keys. You see, on C sharp. So let me now move to the relative major. Hope you understood everything about the minor. Now, the summary is to get the relative minor of any key, you're going to count. You're supposed to count six notes, from the key you're playing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's say key C. Now key A is the relative minor of key C. Is the sixth note, and if you run the scale, la ti do re mi fa sol la. If you run the scale of the relative minor key now, which is your A, that scale is the automatically number one, right? Number one, automatically that scale is the natural minor of the major key you're playing in. That's number one. That scale is just run the la ti do re mi fa sol la. That scale is the natural minor of the major key that you're playing in. Number two, that same scale is the minor of that key. For example, this is C sharp now, right? This is the relative minor is what? La. This is La. This means that this key, this B flat, this is A sharp or B flat. This A sharp, let's use A sharp. This A sharp now, this is. That means this A sharp I just played is automatically is already A sharp minor scale. Hope you understand. Automatically is already A sharp minor scale. It's already automatically A sharp minor scale, and naturally is C sharp natural minor scale. Did you now understand? This same key, la ti do re mi fa sol la, is A sharp minor scale, because A sharp major scale will be do re mi fa sol la ti do. Sorry, do re mi fa sol la ti do ti la. This A sharp major scale. Now A sharp minor scale now be what? La ti do re mi fa sol. Now see it. So you have to understand that the key you're playing in, is the natural minor of that same key.